Hey everyone, if you've accidentally deleted important photos from your iPhone or Android device, don't panic because in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 photo recovery software that can help you get them back. And yes, most of them let you preview the photos before paying, so there's zero risk involved. First up is Stellar Data Recovery, available for both Android and iPhone, but you'll need to download separate versions of the software for both devices. Install it on your PC or Mac, connect your phone, and select what you want to recover. Want only photos? Select just that for a faster scan. For iPhones, it even lets you recover from iTunes or iCloud backups without restoring the entire phone. Besides photos, you can also recover contacts, messages, and documents. Stellar is a solid choice for those looking for a complete data recovery solution. Unlike Stellar, Wondershare Dr.Fone doesn't make you download 2 versions. With just one software, you can recover photos from both Android and iPhone. Connect your phone, run a scan, and you'll see a preview of every image before recovery. It also supports all image formats, making it highly reliable. Simple, seamless, and powerful. That's Dr.Fone. Next up is Disk Drill Data Recovery for iPhone, a powerful tool designed specifically to recover deleted photos and other data from iPhones. It's free to download and supports all iOS versions from iOS 5 up to the latest iOS 18. Using it is simple. Just connect your iPhone to your computer and launch a scan. The scan might take a few minutes. Once it's done, browse through the results and select the photos you want to recover. Finally, click the Recover button, and your deleted photos will be restored with ease. Overall, Disk Drill can handle all your iPhone photo loss issues with ease, so to give it a try. For Android users, EaseUS MobiSaver offers the best of both worlds. Use the Android app for quick recovery of recently deleted photos. Need more advanced recovery? Use the PC software to run a deep scan, recover photos from internal storage, SD cards, and even WhatsApp and Google Drive backups. With support for over 6,000 Android devices, this combo of app plus PC tool makes MobiSaver a top-tier solution for Android photo recovery. However, there is a downside to this software. To perform a deep scan on PC, your Android phone needs to be rooted. While you can still use the Android app without rooting, it might not recover all deleted photos with the same effectiveness. Last but not least, we have FonePaw. It's easy to use, has both quick and deep scan modes, and offers a photo preview before recovery. You can choose to recover only photos, saving time and space. And for iPhone users, the iOS version works flawlessly, letting you retrieve photos from internal storage, iCloud, or iTunes again, no full restore needed. Overall, FonePaw is a great photo recovery tool for both Android and iPhone devices. Its deep scan feature increases the chances of recovery by a good margin. So whether you're using an iPhone or Android, there's a recovery tool out there that fits your needs. All these options let you preview your photos before paying, so you're never spending money blindly. I've linked all the tools in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech tips like this.